Welcome to my channel, Wealth Ledger.
Investing can seem intimidating, especially for beginners. The world of stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, and other assets can feel overwhelming, and it's easy to make mistakes if you don't have a clear strategy. But the truth is, building a simple investment portfolio doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, we'll break down step by step how you can create a portfolio that's diversified, balanced, and aligned with your financial goals. The first step in building any investment portfolio is to understand your financial goals and risk tolerance. Ask yourself, are you investing for short-term gains, long-term wealth, or retirement? Your goals will dictate how much risk you should take. Risk tolerance is equally important. Some people are comfortable with volatile stocks that can swing dramatically in price, while others prefer safer investments like bonds. Knowing your comfort level with risk will guide your asset allocation, the way you divide your investments among different types of assets. Once you've clarified your goals and risk tolerance, it's time to consider asset allocation. A simple portfolio often includes three main categories: stocks, bonds, and cash or cash equivalents. Stocks provide growth potential over time, while bonds add stability and income through interest payments. Cash or cash equivalents serve as a safety net for emergencies and opportunities. For example, a common beginner-friendly allocation is 60% stocks, 30% bonds, and 10% cash. However, your mix should be tailored to your personal goals and timeline. Within each asset category, diversification is key. Don't put all your money in a single stock or bond. Instead, spread your investments across different sectors, industries, and geographies. For example, instead of buying individual tech stocks, you might consider an ETF that holds multiple companies within the tech sector. This reduces risk because if one company or sector underperforms, your entire portfolio isn't devastated. Similarly, consider international investments to capture growth outside your home country. Another important consideration is the type of investment account you use. Tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks offer significant benefits if your goal is long-term growth. For taxable accounts, you'll want to be mindful of capital gains taxes and dividends, which can impact your overall returns. A simple portfolio can be built using just a few low-cost index funds or ETFs, which track the performance of the overall market and require minimal management. Now let's talk about rebalancing. Over time, some investments will grow faster than others, which can throw your original allocation off balance. For example, if stocks grow faster than bonds, your portfolio may become riskier than you intended. Rebalancing involves adjusting your investments periodically to maintain your target allocation. This can be done annually or semi-annually, depending on your preferences. It's also important to stay disciplined and avoid emotional decisions. Markets fluctuate, and it's easy to panic during downturns. A simple portfolio is effective precisely because it's straightforward and less likely to be influenced by market hype or fear. Stick to your plan, continue contributing regularly, and let compounding work in your favor over time. Many beginners worry about fees and commissions, but today's investing platforms make it easy to keep costs low. Look for brokers that offer commission-free trading and low expense ratios. High fees can erode your returns over time, so keeping costs down is a crucial part of building a simple, effective portfolio. Finally, remember that building a portfolio is a journey, not a sprint. Start small if needed, stay consistent, and continuously educate yourself. Track your progress, set milestones, and adjust your strategy as your goals evolve. Over time, even a simple portfolio can grow significantly, providing financial security and the freedom to achieve your long-term dreams. In conclusion, building a simple investment portfolio doesn't require complex strategies or insider knowledge. By understanding your goals, allocating your assets wisely, diversifying, rebalancing regularly, and staying disciplined, you can create a portfolio that grows steadily over time. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth, and simplicity often proves to be the most effective approach for long-term success.
Thanks for watching video. Please share with friends. Subscribe, bell icon, and share.